So here's my Ultra S21. And na-ready ko na siya for changing the front LCD. It's my fault na tinanggal ko itong lahat by watching the YouTube, and hindi pala siya necessary na tanggalin ko lahat. Pero anyway, to make it safe and to check kung may nasunog na parts ng cellphone is you need to disassemble talaga. Pero if you're just, you know that LCD lang ang sira niya, you don't have to remove everything. Tanggalin mo lang yung LCD niya and then remove this part para madali lang mag-check ng LCD. So ito na nga, bubuksan ko na yung kakarating na order ko na LCD na second hand. Kasi ang mahal ng LCD nitong flagship, it's like one cellphone ang presyo niya. It's 10,000 to 12,000. LCD lang yun, ha. So I decided, nung first is nag-decide akong OLED na lang yung bilhin ko kasi mas mura siya ng 3K or 4K. 7K na lang siya. Kaya lang kinancel nung seller. Kaya ito, talagang siguro para sa akin talaga is second hand kasi it's not so practical to buy original and original na bago na worth 12,000, where you can buy naman second hand like this worth 15 to 16,000. And ito is nabili ko lang naman as second hand, and iniisip ko kung papabayaan ko na lang, ibebenta ko na lang siya as sale na wala yung LCD. Kaya lang alam kong babaratin nila, bibilhin lang na lang nila ng 1K. Alam mo naman ng Pinoy, sobrang barat nilang bumili online. So I decided to repair this one. Kasi binili ko to ng 10.5 na may line sa LCD. And sabi nga, pag may tiyaga, pag madiskarte, okay lang yun. Though, para hindi naman sayang yung pinambili ko dito at hindi maging basura na lang, nag-decide na lang ako na bumili ng second hand. And ayan mo na, talagang ganun, sugal. Talagang nalugi talaga ako that time. Bumili ng second hand and may line kasi siya, and naglalagay lang ako ng password sa Facebook, and then nanganak yung line, naging dalawa. So chinek ko kung baka maluwag lang itong LCD kasi nag-research nga ako, maluwag daw yung LCD. Pero nung pag-check ko, maluwag nga. So I decided to open this one. Yun, ayun, na LCD ko yung LCD, na sira ko yung LCD niya. So yun yung story time niya. And yeah, tama ng satsat, I'll open this. So hindi mo kailangan buksan talaga. Ginawa ko kasi binuksan ko lahat. Masyado akong religious na nanood ng pag-disassemble nito, and hindi naman pala kailangan. Kasi, ayun, ito na nga. Plak. I need to video this for this seller in case may sira. Kasi it's expensive. Kahit second hand to, and may black dot sa gilid is mahal pa rin. Isang cellphone pa rin ang worth niya kasi almost 4,000 to 5,000. Diba? Eh, makakabili ka na ng Poco dun na brand new. And because we want the camera, pagtsatsagaan natin i-repair. Kasi maganda talaga ang camera ng maganda talaga ang camera ng S21 Ultra. Kung may extra pa nga akong budget, I don't have to repair this. Buy na lang ako ng bago. Ay, second hand anyway. Eh, binili na lang natin to kasi sayang naman yung phone. So, may free siyang ganyan. I forgot I have lights pala na touch for my unboxing purposes. I need this video. Post ko na lang din. Baka makatulong sa inyo. For refund in case sira. Ano ba to? Oh, ayun na nga. That's the S21 Ultra. And what's this? Oh, okay. May free siyang tape. Kasi LCD nga lang ang binili ko. Walang glue or something. I have glue naman. T7000. And nag-gloves na rin tayo para hindi tayo sisihin nung seller. Kasi last time na bumili, pang 5 ko na kasing replacement ng LCD to sa iba-ibang phone. And yung iba ay sinisisi ako na hindi daw ako nag-gloves. I need to use gloves because it's sensitive. Pero yung nag-test naman dito is hindi naman siya naka-gloves. Though, syempre, siya yung seller. So, okay lang. Hindi niya gawin yung best niya. And here. Ganyan pang itsura niya. So, we need to be careful kasi sobrang sensitive ng mga to. And dahil loose na nga yung ganito natin, iwasan nating mag-spray ng alcohol because loose na nga yung glue, kaya kailangan natin i-save yung hindi natin sila mapabasa kasi bawal nga silang mabasa. Hindi na sila IP, hindi na sila water resistant dahil old na nga. Kung bago, fresh pa yung mga glue, ayun, water resistant, pero pag luma na, hindi na water resistant, guys. So ito na nga with our gloves. And yes, ito na nga, oh yan, remove this one. Ito yung LCD nung dati, and titest na lang natin. Kailangan natin i-test before glue kasi wait lang, I need to remove this. And insert. Careful lang tayo kasi hindi tayo expert. We need to be careful kasi itong mga ng LCD is sensitive din. Kaya i-apply natin yung pagiging babae natin dito. And i-shoot natin sa butas. Kasi actually binalik ko na para mas mabilis ko siyang i-test. Kasi ayaw nga nila ng cut-cut na. Wait. Ayaw nila ng cutted videos. Kaya tinanggal ko na lahat, ready ko na for testing kasi pag matagal, hindi ma-upload sa Shopee. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Hindi kasya. I think we just need to test like this niya. Yes, I need to remove this one. Hindi kasya. Wait, I need to remove this panel. Hindi ba talaga siya kasya? Ay, kasya. Kasya siya. Just need the patience. And because we just need to test. Shucks. Ayun, kasya na siguro. Test lang natin kasi kailangan pa rin natin i-glue. Ayun. Ayun. So, and volume. Actually, yung sige lang naman ang i-test. Anyway, sige, let's try everything. And actually, yeah, LCD end. Actually, this was tested already in China, but of course, after testing there, sa biyahe kasi pwedeng masira, so we need to test it. And let's go. So, nag-on siya. And may black spot siya dito. Yun yung damage niya lang. And nakatipid ako ng 7K and it's original pa, di ba? I think so, it's original. Ooh, see? Hindi halata yung ay, ano na yung password ko? Oh, ganyan yung nilagay ko. Yan yung screen wall kwan ko. This is my wallpaper because I have a green line or pink line last time before it was damaged. So now I don't need this kind of wallpaper. I need the wallpaper to cover this one. So let's test the screen. Ano na yan? The dial. Asterisk zeros. Ay, no. Asterisk. Hashtag 0, hashtag took. And boom. Test red. Yeah, it's clean. Talagang ito lang. Wala naman ako nakikitang different color. And pook green. Yes. Uy, madumi lang pero may plastic kasi to. Yeah. Blue. Yes. Don't judge me for buying this. Don't judge me for buying this kind of LCD na may damage. Because it's so expensive. It's not practical already because for the new LCD, you can buy another second-hand like this. That's okay kasi may tape yung camera. So, touch. Kalain yun. I'm not an expert, but I can do these things. Diba? I never go to school for this. Nag-aral ako for business but not for repairing. And now I can repair such complicated things, diba? Of course. Okay, we're done. Wala kasi tayong S Pen eh. We don't have S Pen though. So, ano ba? Paano ba? Comment down below if I need to put my screen protector na binili ko. And may glue kasi siya and people says na one of the reason na nagkakaroon ng green line is because of that screen protector. So, dial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, everything is good. So, I hope you learned something. So, tanggalin na natin ito. Glue na lang natin. Bye! Power off. So, I need to glue this. So, first... We need to glue everything. During the test, it was okay, it was good, it's nice. Kasi yung black spot niya is hindi naman nakikita sa gilid lang. And there, naparami ako ng glue nung paglagay ko. Hindi pala siya naka-fit. Tumigas na yung glue. Marami kong nilagay na back-to-back tape. Ayun. I need to remove again this LCD kasi nagkamali nga ako and then yun, nagkaroon ng line because I glue it and remove it and super sensitive nga ang mga LCD. So, ayun. Hindi na pwede sa warranty and nagkaroon na ng linya. Pero that's okay, it's functional. Still functional and okay pa rin. Pwede na sa akin to kaysa wala akong phone. So, if you are a DIYer like me, you buy with frame. Because the LCD is so sensitive. Pag nag-glue mo na yan, grabe na, hindi mo na matanggal. And once na binaklas mo ulit, sira na. At least, ganyan lang yung nangyari. Akala ko nga, sira na kasi talagang hirap akong nagtanggal ng glue. Tapos may double tape pa sa likod, sa gitna. Doon ako nahirapan eh. Hindi lang sa gilid yung may glue. Yung glue sa gilid, madali lang ma-scrape. Kaya lang yung glue sa, yung double tape sa gitna, yun ang hindi ko matanggal. Doon nagkaroon ng LCD.
That's it, pansit!
Anyway, sana na-break yung ignorance ninyo. May natutunan kayo. And if you like this video, please like or share or subscribe. Thank you. Bye!